everyone, I'm Ngọc Minh. I'm 7 years old. Guess what I make today? I make a truck. And I will tell you the bottom and here's. And this is the front. I have two drawers in here and it can open. See, sometimes it's not working well. People can walk in these drawers and come and drive. And vroom, vroom, the truck goes. Dee. It can have people in here. It can fit 3 people. No worries, it can carry people too. And look at the bottom. Guess what it carries in? I carry in toys. This can make a big house. At the bottom, it can carry trucks and flowers. And it can carry trucks that are old. And it can go to the machines and fix it up. Very good. And I make 1 windows. Ooh, 1 windows. It's not a close. Sometimes it's shut. This is very good. Now I build this 6 wheels. At the right is a 3, and in the left it is 3 wheels. The 6 wheels have the truck move very fast. The wheels is very strong. It can carry everything without breaking, right? Now I will talking a truck. What the truck do? Now let's see. This truck can pull out the things. It can pull out things in the house. Like if the people want to change the house, it pull out the things in the house and put it into the next house. Easy peasy.
Khi lái xe thì người ta có được ngủ?
No, it's a driving to sleep. It will be dangerous. The truck will be smashed. Boom! It's not a great thing to sleep when you drive. It is dangerous.
Khi lái xe thì cũng được uống rượu nữa.
What? I mean rượu. You can't drink rượu when you're driving. It will make you sleep and you can't see anything. Say, you cannot drive without friends, right?
Okay.
Okay, now I will make a stories too. Just wait. And now let's tell these stories and finish. In the mornings, I go to school with my mom. My mom drives a motorcycle. In the street, I saw a lot of cars and trucks too. Now began the stories. A truck was going to the roads, and I see traffic jams. But suddenly there was lots of cars in here. But then the police goes. I make this. Now the green light is you can go, and the yellow ones is go slowly. And this red button is stop, not going anymore. Okay. Then the police came. It goes with the buttons, so the cars drive and drive. Now the truck goes. The truck drive and drive. Now it came to the walk. And if it sees lots of people walking, it asks for his walk. Then the people put this into the truck. If the truck was driving again and again, it finish its works. Then it go to a main house. A woman house. This woman want to change the house. Okay, let's see. Truck, excuse me, please. I want to go out of the house and change my things. No problem. So the cars put her things in this. Let's drive. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And her things go out to a new house. It was a good news. And now the truck needs energy to go again. Can I have some energy, please? The truck says. Some energies come to the truck. And the truck has full of energy now. Time to work again. The end. Do you like my stories? I guess you like it. And I finished talk about wheels.